Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share AppSheet app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to appsheet.com and sign in or create an account. Once you've done that, we'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this. So for this demonstration, I'm going to quickly create a new app and show you how to share it. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on create, click on app. We can start with existing data or start with a template or a blank app. So I'm just going to do start with a template. Then it will bring up all the different app templates inside of here. We can preview them or copy them. Simple survey, simple inventory, shift management. So I'm just going to do this one here called field delivery and copy this one. And I'm going to copy app. Now this is going to redirect me to the next page. So from here, I can explore my app, apply a theme, view data. All right, so once you've done all the things you need for your app, you've customized all of it, head over to the left here, and we need to click into settings. Security, click onto the security tab. And now on the right, it will say require sign-in, control who can access the app. So require user sign-in, require app users to sign in, needs a secure subscription plan when deployed. This should be chosen for all apps used within a company or organization. So what we need to do is turn that off, and then it says here users can access my app without signing in. I understand the security implications of this choice, but for this demonstration, I want to toggle this on, and authentication provider, provide for user sign in and file storage. So from here, we've got a few different ways how we can do this. I'm just going to choose Google out as it's the most popular one out the lot. And then under here, it'll say allow all signed in users. If this option is enabled, there is no need for a user list. Enable this option when you do not need to restrict access to a specific list of users, but you still want to access user-specific information like their email or personalization features like security filters or private tables. So we want to go ahead and enable this. Scroll down again. Then from here, it will say down the bottom, manage users. So now this is how we can share the app. So we can add emails or domains in here. Or we can go ahead and share the link. So click on share links, use app. So install on mobile. We can copy that and share that to whoever. Open in browser, copy and share. And view, copy or edit as well. So we can copy and paste that to whoever.